Fish family, welcome to another video. I'm gonna do another review. This is about the vacuum, the Shark vacuum. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button for future videos, share, like and comment below. Let me know what's your thoughts about the Shark vacuum. Anybody has it and or have it, and what's your experience with it? Or I bought a Shark from Walmart like back in April, and it cost me like $250. And I registered online and everything, never threw the box away. I saved the box, and like 2 weeks ago the cord it was damaged. I don't know why, because when you tuck it away, you know, I guess it started filling off, and it was shocking me every time my wife used it or I use it. We used to get shocked. So I called customer service. Customer service, it was great. I swear to God, I never seen any customer service like this from my experience for other customer service for the product. I had to go FaceTime with the customer service to show them what was the problem with the vacuum, and I went step by step with them, and they helped me out step by step. At the end, they said, okay, we'll send you to your email FedEx shipping paper. Just ship us back the product, and once we receive it, 3 days you receive your other one. I had the one called A30, model A30, and they said they don't have it no more, so they're gonna upgrade me to model A31. And by the way, they told me, customer service said that it wasn't gonna be refinished, so it was gonna be a new one. So today I received the box. Yeah, let's go and try it, see what we got. This is the box from Shark.
Ooh, I like the color. Remember ours was blue?
Yeah, ours, the model A30 was blue color. And this one, the upgrade one.
It's orange.
Which is the same thing what we had before, but I guess newer model. For some reason, I always love Shark vacuum. So, yeah, it looks brand new. No?
Mm-hmm.
I know we got the same original package like the one I had purchased, the original one, the first one. So far so good. So I guess I was looking at the review, they have some issue with their vacuums. These rollers over here, they were plastic made. Before they were going bad a lot of times, and I guess now they're upgrading them to better wheels. What is this?
Yeah, to do like, yeah, the chairs and the sofa.
Okay, so we leave this one on the side for now. So we had this one and the last one. So I guess they upgrade with this one. Yeah, right? You said we didn't get it?
Last time, no.
Okay, well, that's nice. You get the what you call it?
The
Extension to
cord.
suck on the cord. And you got the main cord. Need the stick. So yeah. I mean, I don't see no scratches or anything that's been used.
Let me see them.
It's the same thing that we had. Thing goes over here.
Yeah, you just click it in.
That's it.
That's it.
And then, of course, we have the mama bear.
Why she gotta be a mama bear for? Why can't she be a papa bear?
That she is big
What?
and nice.
Because she's big, okay.
And heavy. This one goes here?
Yep. Who needs a manual? We could just guess.
Ready? And then the head. Up like this. I know it because I had one, okay?
We had a few of them. You should know how to put it together.
Yeah. Yeah, see, look. the problem that we had with the cord, and I guess a lot of people could relate on this problem because I think it's with a lot of vacuum, with most vacuums. We got the hanger over here and another one down here. So when you finish with your vacuum, what you do is you go up like this and you fold it. You know what I'm saying? Like keep folding it, keep going. And then at the end, you click it with this to the cable like this. You know what I'm saying? And that's the problem that they have with the vacuum. The thing is, from this edges from over here where it clips over here,
It starts to worn out.
it starts to worn out. It starts like a slicing, like you had a knife and you slice it, and the copper start coming out. That's the only issue with these vacuums, or most of the vacuums. Oh, by the way, the other issue I had with the other vacuum, it was this. So this vacuum, when you open it, like this, when you're ready to vacuum, it's a little hard over here in the bottom, down here.
The clicker
And
broke.
when you finish, it clips, like it clicks. You know what I'm saying? That one was to hold it, yeah. It broke, so when I pick up the vacuum, the bottom was hanging. I don't know how that went bad like that. But yeah, let's try see how this one works. So guys, this is the aftermath of our challenge video that we had earlier. Mother, father, daughter. Who knows better? Your daughter. So far, so good.
All that baby powder.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to do the chairs. See how it works, you know. So we're gonna use this one and see how it works. Say hello to my little friend.
Si sabe limpiar, más se hace tonto.
Limpiar, ¿ah? Ok, vamos a ver este.
Dios mío, ¿quién me va a ayudar? Limpiando, limpiando, limpiando todos los días, todo el tiempo del día. Y a lo último me vienen y me ensucian la mesa o las sillas. Y yo sigo trabajando todo el día en la casa limpiando. Pero pinche esposo cuando llegue a la casa se cree que estoy sentada en mis nalgas y haciendo nada. Nada más mirando novelas, películas, llorando y comiendo. Y llorando, comiendo y al baño.
My little friend finished doing work.
Your daddy's funny, huh?
Mira para allá, mira para allá. No quiero abrirlo por abajo porque después se cae todo sucio.
Pues claro, tonto.
Aquí le llamamos tonto. Tonta.
So the most thing I love about this vacuum and why my wife loves it is this. If you have a low spot, you can't put the vacuum all the way inside. All you have to do is just take out the head and voila! Just go with it. Follow it. Anywhere you want. It goes all the way. Like this is what what I love about it. So you see, you got LED lights all around, and then you have this green light. This green light means it's sucking good. And just put it back. Clip. It's all about clip, 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 clip. Can't go wrong with Shark, man. All my products are Shark, so nice. I try all different brands, and for some reason I love the fact about customer service. I mean, I tell you, when that guy told me we're gonna send you a new one, just send us the old one and here's prepaid package, you don't have to pay for it, everything is prepaid by them. The way they talk to me, the way they explain to me things, and the way I explained to them and they understood the product and they stand by their product with Shark. And best customer service, man. I tell you, I had horrible customer service with all the product. I don't want to name them, but it's horrible customer service. With Shark, it's like they're your family, man. It's like they understand you. They stand behind their product 100%. I shipped them to them, and I shipped them Monday. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they received it. And then I called them Friday just to make sure everything is good. They told me, yep, we received it. We'll update it in the system right now. And you should have in 3 days. Guess what? Saturday and Sunday, I guess, I don't know if it counted or not, but I got it by Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? Tuesday morning. And it was nice to have it back with a new one. So yeah, I give customer service 10 stars for them, for understanding their customers, and can't go wrong with it. I love it, and I will always stay with Shark and Ninja product. I can't go anywhere else. They're not that too expensive like other brands, $500–600, you know, and they do a good job. So yeah, if you guys have this Shark vacuum, tell me what's your experience with it. This is my first one I have. I had the model A30 like I told you. If you guys have A31, the same model, this one, let me know what's your experience with it, and what's the bad thing that happened and how long you had it for. And if you had any issue with it, please let me know so I could, you know, understand this product, the A31. I appreciate for you watch this video, and hopefully I see people commenting about this experience, and we'll see you in the next video. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment, and hit the notification button for future videos, and we'll see you till next time. Peace.